daily routine at home now, where when we leave Oscar at home alone, we have to get Alexa to play some classical music. So if you say to your Alexa, Alexa, play relaxing music for my dog.
Here's a playlist for dogs' music, classical for pets.
This is what Oscar sits and listens to.
More than I need me. One more whiskey. I'm wild. Don't nobody know my troubles are gone. Ooh, Lordy, my troubles so hard. Ooh, Lordy, my troubles so hard.
Really?
Don't nobody know my troubles are gone. Don't nobody know my troubles are gone.
Look at that for parking there. That's ridiculous.
Broke into the property in the Duncairn Gardens area and demanded money from the till and the workers' pockets. He was left very shaken by the ordeal. Now, William and Kate will continue their two-day visit here in Ballymena. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge will keep the focus of their trip on the younger generation. Yesterday they took part in several sporting activities with kids before heading to the Empire Bar. These people who caught a glimpse of the couple spoke to our special correspondent Damien Edgar.
So you've been standing out in the cold, obviously. Was it worth the wait then?
It was, yeah, definitely. It was a once-in-a-lifetime chance to see them, yeah.
And how pleased are you to see them come to Belfast as well?
Yeah, I'm really pleased. Whenever Harry and Meghan were here last year as well, it was amazing, so it's good to see Will and Kate as well.
Yeah, well, I saw William, so I got a little video of William.
Yeah, hang on, like...
amount yet? Well, today's cash amount is £4,032.91. And for your chance to grab the money, just text the word cash to 63103. It's £150 to play plus your standard message rate. If you're over 18 and live in Northern Ireland, text cash to 63103. Full terms and free online entry are on coolfm.co.uk. Get your text in by 5 p.m. today, then shortly after 5, John Kearns will make the call and answer the phone within 5 minutes.
That's £5,297.43. You say that to John when he calls you, and he'll tell you you've got the money.
Yes, one little sidelight is just superb.
The Cool Years, Sunday morning cool classics.
And it goes a little something like this. Like this.
Right about now.
Alright, stop.
Okay, everybody, lie down.
The Cool Years, Sunday morning cool classics.
Tame the streets with the Peugeot 208 Tech Edition. With connected 3D navigation, park assist, color reversing camera and front and rear parking aids, it makes every urban adventure easier.